Hey everybody, I'm back with a bunch of videos. Now I got some time to create more videos here. So first video that we're doing today is how to customize the 404 pages on your site. So everybody knows that when you go to your 404, you get this page doesn't exist, content, and then click here to go to the home page. If you want to customize that one, what you do is you go to Toolbox, Widget Manager, and then you look for 404 page, and you're gonna end up on this specific widget. So what I did here to make the video shorter is I basically removed everything that was there, and I put some code here from a pretty cool site, CodePen, Jakudo. Kudos to Jakudo here for the example that I'm about to show you. It was the nicest 404 page example that I could find. Um, so for example, if I come to my site, the testing site, and I go to 404 page, I get this. Okay, get this line here. If I go to do note this part here, this part that says if parse 0 equals something, this what this is saying is if I go to the wrong page and that wrong page is this, then do something here. In this case, do this specific type of code here or whatnot. If not, then do something else. So if you see here in underneath the line, it says press and drag to make win. Okay, press and drag to make win. If I go to the page slash bones, which it doesn't exist, now it says this is the bones page. So what I'm trying to say with that is you can literally customize a bunch of pages based on the URL that is missing, based on a URL that the visitors are going to that doesn't actually exist. So maybe you want to grab them from there, they misspell something and you want to grab them and point them in the right direction, or you want to guide them. Hey, this is the wrong page. Click here to search or type on this maybe an input box that you can put there so they can search and they go to the reviews, they go to the search for members, businesses, posts, specific posts, and whatnot. Whatever you want based on some criteria in the URL. Okay? Or you can go crazy and can also be a criteria based on their location. Um, so this is a quick example. So you can see that you can customize the 404 pages. And if you go to any wrong page on my site, you'll always see this lion. And you can see that, if I put the fang there, yeah. Oh my God. Yep, yep, yep. There we go. Look at that happy lion. Hey, okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. So that's a happy line. So with this, basically, you are able to use any technologies because you can see that I'm using I'm using 3JS. I'm using from CodePen. Here you can see Jakuro. He's linking everything. Also here it is, original code. And you can also see a rule about, hey, if you visit this specific page, show this. If you visit this other specific page, then show that. Okay. I could also go crazy here, for example. Let's do something even more critical. Let me grab this. I'm going to put it all the way up here. Okay. If I'm the bones page, then it's just going to echo bones page. Okay. Only a text. That's all that's going to do. Else, and then absolutely everything else that's here. This is for the people that still don't see the difference. I want you to see the full difference of this. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then all the way at the end, all the way here at the end. So what I'm doing here is, hey, if you're on the bones page, just show the text bones, not the lion or anything else. Else, show me everything else that's here. So if I go to, I'm going to leave the bones page. I'm going to go to bones 2. Okay. If I go to bones 2, you see the nice lion, Tommy the lion, tiger, whatever. And now if I go to bones, the actual ones that's on that rule, this is all I get. can see there, bones page. Okay, so you can customize to whatever degree in imagination you want each individual 404 page or a group of 404 pages where they land and whatnot, whatever you want to do there. Okay, hopefully this will answer the question how to customize your 404 page. Again, widget manager, you look for this one, and voila, you can go crazy there. Think positive as always, okay? Big hugs to everybody.